Shaina.
Mama.
Hi everyone, and today we are doing our day 2 activity on life skills. Let's ask Shaina, what are life skills?
Life skills are things that make our lives easy.
Did you hear that, moms? This is what we need to make our kids understand, and there are various methods that you can actually inculcate in your kids. You might say that you know what are life skills, but I'll tell you one simple thing. With life skills, you can teach many more things like vocabulary and communication, which is today's major concern when you are in a nuclear family or you have one child. This is one concern that most of the mothers get worried. And you might say, how can vocabulary and communication be associated or be related to life skills? Watch my today's video and check out and tell me what made you think that what can be the reason that I am talking about this. Yes, guess that communication I am having with Shaina in this video. Guess how are we talking? How are we actually understanding? And what I want to tell you today is life skill is just not related to cooking, organizing things, or putting things back in place. Life skill is much beyond that. In case if you're telling your little one to do a simple life skill like making a lemonade, does lemonade actually teach you life skills? Yes, it does. It teaches you how to do it. But other than that, have you ever tried asking your little one, how does the lemon look like? Do you see the seeds in it? Do you try putting the seeds somewhere so they grow into it? Is it a plant that comes out of it? Or is it a tree that comes out? Do you see those questions related to that one simple idea that you do? This is what today my activity day 2 is. Why associate life skills to just certain things? Let's make it much more than that. So keep watching, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. It's going to be our baking day 2 activity. Shaina is going to start it now. Shaina, can you take some oil and put some oil in this curd? Yes, pour it. Very good. Keep it back. Now take the scoop. Yes, please beat it well. Yes, hold it. Yes, very good. Now beat. Very good. Keep doing it. I'll help Mama. Mama's going to help you.
This is fun.
Yes, it is. That's how you're supposed to do it, anti-clockwise. So we beat it well till the oil gets mixed well with the curd and it is not visible like this. So we need to move our hands faster. Wow, it's nice, Shaina. Good job. Now, if you see, it's all mixed. Now we can't see the oil, right? So what are we going to do is we're going to take this, put this back over here, and could you put this over there back?
Yes.
Yes, can you do that? Yes. Now I'll keep the big bowl for you over here. Now I'll give you some flour. You need to take 3 spoons of this flour with, yes. Should I help you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll help you. Yes. You take a little scoop like this. Put it in this. Very good. One more. Very good. And there we go. I think we'll need a little bit more because we've not filled it fully. So you're going to. Very good. So we're done with the scooping. So can we take the baking soda and pour that? Yes. Can you put that full thing in that? Yes.
Yes, and this.
Yes. And now take that spatula and mix it well. Mix it. Yes. Mix. Mix the powder. Yes. So you mix it like this. Now once you do this, we will add cocoa powder. What are we going to add, Shaina?
Cocoa powder.
Why are we adding it? We are adding it so we get a little, you know what?
Chocolate.
The dark chocolate flavor. It's a wheat flour cake that we're making.
Yes.
But we're going to make sure that it tastes a bit chocolatey because you like chocolates, right?
But not little sour.
Oh yeah, but that works because they say that having a dark chocolate is good for health. So we're going to experiment that now and tell the dentist that we had dark chocolate. Okay, so now we're done with the mixing. We take some sugar and we put the sugar. Yippee! Shaina, can we mix it, Peter?
Yeah.
So you hold it nicely like this, yes, and then mix it. Yes, mix. So are you going to tell me something about baking? Why? What did you want to try baking?
Because For so many days when I was a girl, na.
You are still a girl.
Yeah, but when I was 4 years old,
Okay, yes.
I was thinking what I will be when I'll grow.
Okay.
But then I tried more. But then again, my mind changed what I'll be. But one day when I become 5 years old, I tried to be a
Baker?
baker, and then
What did you watch that made you feel that you should be a baker?
TLC.
Oh yes, I remember that channel on TLC. What is it called? The Baking Kids Championship.
And Buddy.
And Buddy, we like him, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to show him this, that yes, Shaina made it getting impressed by Buddy. Okay, Shaina, so we are done with this, Bitu.
Yes.
And now we're going to keep this aside. We'll take that curd and we'll mix it. Now once we mix it, we're going to take the spoon again and make sure that the wet ingredients are mixed with the dry ingredients. And once they are done, then again we need to mix it well. And once we mix like this, do you want to hold it with me?
Yes.
Please help me. Thank you, Miss Chef. Little baker, I mean. See, wow, Shaina, it is coming.
It's being chocolate.
I'm loving it. So we'll mix it well like this. And once we mix it, because we don't want it to be very thick, we're going to add a little water, little by little, so that it becomes into a batter form. What form?
Batter form.
Yes, so once it becomes into a batter, we'll add a little water here. Yeah, we've just taken an idea of the water. And first we'll keep mixing, and then
Yeah, it's being a chocolate.
yes, it is indeed, because we used cocoa, so the chocolate had to be there. We'll put some more water
Wow.
because
this
it's
is
sweet.
yummy.
Is it? You've not tasted it.
No.
So what we'll do is, Shaina, we'll use this. We'll keep this spoon aside,
Yeah.
and we'll take the beater. So it's easy for us to mix it. So you know what, Shaina?
Yeah.
Whenever we are baking, we'll always find lot of kitchen items that are related to baking. So we call it bakeware. What do we call it?
Bakeware.
Yes. And
See,
what is
it's being a nice chocolate.
yes, but we need to beat it a little faster and put a little bit more water.
It's smelling very yummy.
Is it?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? So
I love eating chocolate. But the bad chocolate is not good for health.
yeah, because what happens when you eat too much of chocolate?
Yeah.
What happens?
Our teeth get spoiled.
And then what do you need to do when it gets decayed and spoiled?
We have to go to the dentist and take out our teeth.
And then what happens? Does it be painful?
Yes.
So what do we learn from it? We learn that we should always have sweet things in little form. I mean, not too much, not too often. See, Shaina, do you see this?
Wow.
So moms, our batter is ready, and now we are going to pour it in our two little small, you can say bakewares that we have. So I hope you like it. So I'll just place it so we can pour it. So Shaina, can we just pour this?
Yeah, this is yummy. I can't wait to eat. Because this is the thing what we can eat.
Yes.
I feel like licking these things.
That's what usually all the cake cooking people do, that they start tasting it. Do you want to try a little taste with your finger? Can you?
Yeah.
You want to? Not that one, you can pick this one, yeah. And tell me, how is it? Yummy? So moms, you're done with this one.
Yeah.
We're just doing it a little like this so that there are no bubbles. Shannon, do you see that?
Well, bubbles.
So moms, do you see this? We've done this one. And I have this mini one also, which I usually bake bread for Shaina. So we're going to put a little bit of this in this also.
And I want to taste more.
Shaina, how is
Such
it?
yummy.
Is it? Seriously?
Seriously?
Is it tasting nice? That
Yeah.
means you're going to love it?
Yeah, I'm being hungry for sweet.
So moms, this is a little activity which you can do with your kid. And doing this activity doesn't mean just mixing the ingredients, telling them about the ingredients, telling them the items that are required for these ingredients to bake this, telling the things that are required in terms of bakeware. Giving them a little knowledge is seriously very helpful for kids, because in today's generation life skill is a must. So I hope you like our little idea. We are soon going to share with you the cake lookout, and I hope you love it. So we are done with this. This is the last trial. Here, if you see, moms, now we're going to put this in the oven, let it bake. The details of this recipe is going to be on my YouTube descriptions so that you can try and keep watching us. So moms, here is the cake straight from the oven, and I hope, let's see how we decorate it. Keep watching us and looking forward to the amazing makeover we give it to it. Wait and watch. Like you saw my two cakes, I planned to use the mini can cake because I wanted Shaina to start with this little loaf of cake that she has actually baked. So I have already used a knife and cleared the edges. All I'll do is I'll keep it aside and turn it, and then here I place it like this, and I'll just get some butterscotch and let's decorate it. Moms, here is my cake dipped in the melting moment of an ice cream that Shaina loves. It's her style, her variant, and I hope you also try it with your little one and let me know what you think about it. Till then, take care. Happy summer vacation.